Oh dear. I'm sure that's not what we were supposed to be doing.
So today we are going to teach me something new again. We've been watching a couple of movies recently, and the stuntmen and women always do this really cool thing on the motorcycles where when they get on it and then they're in a tight space and they go vroom and then they wheelie off.
I don't know if the actual audio effects are them going vroom.
It is exactly that. In fact, I am now already a pro. Just vroom. I don't need you to teach me. But anyway, Alistair's going to be teaching me this stunt because he already knows how to do it, and he's agreed to teach his wife a lovely new trick.
It's actually quite a dangerous trick because you're dialing a load of power in, you're using no front brake, and you're using like the contact patch of the back wheel come round. So you want a small contact patch with a lean angle. So we're going to start on the stomp, and then we'll go to Cassie's 600. Cute Cassie. But first, let's have a demo on my bike. Thank you, that's my bike, brilliant. And let's see how we get on. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Dun, 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 dun.
You're into shot. You look for baddies.
Hands up.
You need to go the other way.
Oh no, he's got away again.
So that's what it looks like. Let's get the stomp out, and then we can dial in what we need to learn.
Exciting times.
Okay, so it's the same deal. And off we go.
Awesome.
Lean the bike in against your inside leg, and you dial in a load of power, and you dump the clutch. That's it, it's that easy.
It's that easy.
Go on then, do it. Okay, so stand up and lean the bike in. No, your hips are doing something weird. That's it. But this has to be touching your leg. Yeah, good. So you understand, you're tipping the bike in, but you're
What do I
staying.
do with this leg?
You grip the peg. So now, dial in the power, dump the clutch. That's it.
Brum, 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 brum.
These sound effects are so amazing.
Oh look, I'm so good at this. Brum, brum.
Yeah, not very convincing. Anyway, let's get this bike started. Lean it in. I'm going to stand to the other side.
Yeah, I would.
Dial in a lot of power and then dump the clutch and bring it round. No. So you're going to need more power. Whoa!
Yeah!
Very good.
Woo!
It's kind of halfway there. So more power for a bit longer. Very
Woo!
good. Very
Alright,
good.
I can go to movies now. Just with that.
Is that on your resume?
Yeah.
Okay, so you didn't go all the way round because you're facing that way. So let's see a little bit longer on the power. Very good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh, very nice. The wheelie is like an added bonus. And stop, and power, and go. Very good. Okay, one more time, then we're going to the 600.
No, I'm not ready. Ah!
Much better. Right, now do it without the stupid delay where everyone's just looking at you, wondering what you're going to do.
trusted you.
Is she ready for you?
I don't know. She might not actually be that happy about this whole situation.
What, generally just being your stunt bike?
Yeah, probably. She's like, this is not an arrangement I agreed to. Apparently she had one careful female owner before she had me.
Wow. Okay, let's go. Time for the 600. So the biggest difference with this is obviously the weight. How much do you reckon she weighs?
Well, 200 kilos. She's really heavy.
And the pit bike?
I don't know, like 70 or something?
Yep, right. It is very different from the pit bike. So, same difference, lean her in. Right. And then power. Bang. So you've got this. You've got everything you need to do it.
Have I?
So remember, more power will give you either a low side, right?
Or it grips and a huge wheelie into the pylon.
Well, into the bushes. You'll probably end up about there. So less power is more dangerous, which will bring a wheelie. But you're covering the clutch the whole time anyway. So you'll probably just go for a slide. Thank goodness we're filming this. Come on.
I am not so sure about this career choice of mine.
One dry run, okay?
Yeah.
That you don't power it, but you just come in and then you go, okay?
Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. And then green screen. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And then off we go!
Good. Right, now we're going to dial it in with power. You've got the timing, your body knows what to do. Let's see it.
It doesn't. It knows what to do on a little bike. This is a very heavy bike. Ah!
Oh dear. I'm sure that's not what we were supposed to be doing. For ages you left it hanging. It got heavy and then you used about 1/10 of the power necessary and then you dropped it.
I think that is a successful run.
Okay, let's go. One more. Lean. Lean. Lean.
Ah!
Lean. Power. Very good.
Oh,
That
I
was
did a
good.
little bit.
It's good. So now the power needs to be more and stay on for longer, and that'll be it.
Oh man. And then leave? I'm leaving.
I think they shot you.
No.
You get in. As soon as you lean, you power. Okay? Don't leave it hanging and then be like.
Do I do that facial expression?
Yeah. So as soon as you're in. Stand your ground.
Ah!
Right, so you turn up, you see the baddies, you lean, power, go. And if you can fit a wheelie in,
I think I'm going to focus on not dying, you know, with this trick first. Right, come on, Cass. In. Oh! I kind of made it.
so about 10% more power and you leave it on for at least another second.
Why were you looking at my bum?
I was looking at the tyre actually.
I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Dun, 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 dun. In. Lean. Oh!
Good, and go.
Ah! That
Just
was amazing!
So busy celebrating that she forgot to leave.
La 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 la.
Okay.
Yay!
Okay, it's good, but you're being a bit clumsy at the end. except for the end part.
My hips. Stop. Look around.
Excellent.
Yeah!
Nice one.
Da, 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 da. Oh no, all the baddies are everywhere.
And
I'm
kill
dead.
you. Yes.
Yeah!
Right, well that's it.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much for joining us. I think Cass did an amazing job. Don't
Woo!
you? Yes.
That sounded so insincere. Oh yes! Didn't you do such a good job, darling? Oh man. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and always supporting us. This sort of thing is not exactly easy. I'm gonna sleep well.
So, what did you learn?
I learned how to control my fear. I learned how to get past my tired body. And I also learned the very obvious of turning up. And if there's baddies around, I can lean the bike over and get out of danger very quickly.
And one other question, do you think Tom Cruise had as many takes?
I actually have no idea. I don't even know how he learned it or who taught him, but of course he couldn't have had a more brilliant teacher than this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you all in next week's video. Bye!
Bye! Mama! Mama!